Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to my beautiful people. It's another beautiful day. That's why we did. Yes, so they drop new updates to our people. So if it's your first time you dey pass this channel, yeah, you go learn a lot from this channel. When you try me, you subscribe. When you try me, you leave your hand for that notification bell for more videos and updates. So that anytime I drop videos, you'll be first person to be notified. So you feel come around, come grab the video. So we want to talk about this sharing of documents, the sanatoria again, because updates they come. Understand? People they call me, they tell me say they want to start to share the documents. At the year say they don't start to share the documents. They follow people for they call different call they come. So matter where they no be small matter. The Minister of Agriculture now she stand for this matter, made they share documents. That is Teresa Bedanova. Now she stand, understand, made they share the document. So say now the parliament they go bring matter come make they solve. While the rest opposition go want try make they stop am. Understand? Say the government where they now as in Savi with the other of the brother they call Mayo. So two of them say they work together. So if Savi they come out and for a Minister of Interior, me say they talk for matter. He see they talk for matter. Know say na he see they push a brother make they no sign down these documents matter. But now make the woman talk say if they don't sign them, she go resign for the issue. Even yesterday, the woman go meet the Prime Minister, whether they call Joseph Conte. Two of them come rapport together. So the Prime Minister they talk say, okay, they talk say we will give 6 months. They go renew to under 6 months. If we don't have to 3 months, understand? If those people feel use this one, take go for hospital checkup, this one fit take run so kind work. This season work where they board. Understand? I go be. So the woman the reason I say that's 3 months. I go come be. Waiting will come be the next step. The 3 months they feel converted to working permit. If the 3 months finish, they feel not to under 3 months. How the matter will come they go. Understand? I don't need to the follow up. So because the 6 months, if now 6 months say now this a natural disaster, now they want share, make they understand. If na just temporary document 6 months, make they understand. Say we having a day board, they bring this 6 months come at this natural disaster in case any health problem come, they will give people this natural disaster, make they for go take care of themselves. But they never bring a come out. Then they talk say, okay now, these people they work for farm now, many of them are irregular. So people they work for domestic workers, many of them are irregular. So now people they ask. We say they ask because of this coronavirus. All those irregular migrants, how in account they take care of them? Waiting be their own benefit. How they can they follow up for this corona matter? If they go contact for this corona matter, who want to take care of them? They don't get documents where they want to go hospital. They don't get documents where they want to carry even go check go for doctor. So if you get documents, if you choose doctor, we go to follow you. But they don't get documents. So now, if this our harvest time want start, these people now, how they want to secure their life? Understand? How they want to secure their life? Now the woman they talk. That's the main issue. If these people now they don't get document, these mafians can carry they go work for feed now. If anything happen to them, nobody they care for them. If they cash koro, now say negotiation and give the order of the workers who they work for them, who get documents, who no get documents, or even their citizens who they work for the farm. How this koro matter want to stop? Because who get contracts now, who get a document now, in nowhere, it go stop work, it go for doctor will control and go tell us say stay as. If you dey as, they go still pay you say you dey as. But these people now they don't get documents, they go still like to go work because now the work the money when you earn now be your own for that year. So they will want work. So this woman they rapport with the Prime Minister that give and say, see wetin I dey fight for. Now they hate for these people. These people no be say they be only laborers, say they be workers, they be still human being like us. But this the other opposition they try me they stop at that Savini say, okay, you want to bring this he call a mess sanatorium to give immigrants. That one no go solve anything for the countryside. Understand? But some people they tell Savi say, if this thing pass, we go make some kind benefits. If they regularize these people now, They come dey pay tax. We fit make 1.2 billion euro for inside the matter. Understand? Because all this association of legal studies for immigration, association wey still dey present as in some ministers of regularization proposals signed by the hundred of associations. They still dey for the matter. The people wey still dey follow on immigrants, they still dey for the matter. Minister of Labour still dey for the matter. He say if we pass on this law, e fit help. But Salvini na know the way e take dey. E no gree. So he still dey talk, but God pass am. So now they leave the matter for their prime minister, make a reason now. Now make this woman go block the prime minister yesterday. That's the see, oh, we could do this thing based on health condition, no be for another thing. So that those people where they work, if they give them this 6 months, they feel convert them to working contracts. And many of them go like to work. Many of them go want pay tax. So that these mafias no go benefit, because these mafias they don't benefit. Money will they enter those mafias' hand for every year. If the calculator, it big. So now you talk say, we could put this matter, we will give this irregular migrant document so that they go see the pay tax, so that their health go see they secure. Understand? So that if any of them catch this virus, they go feed, go for a doctor or go hospital checkup. This coronavirus matter go still reduce, but if they don't give these people documents, the coronavirus go still they go up, because these irregular migrants, they see they live, they see they walk up and down, they feel infect people. Now so the thing want to finish. So the prime minister, the thing they in the reason now, even the Pope talk about this matter. Understand? Even the Pope, the palace of the Pope, they talk about the matter. Even some political forces, they talk about the matter. They call them CEI Association and Trade Union in the agricultural sector. They all ask for regularization. All of them, they support for this regularization. But some parties no go agree. And I know say these parties, they many. Some go agree, some no go agree. So now the woman say he ready to resign, say they no pass this law. But some parties, they say, you resign for these people. So, but some people say, they don't say, now they gather this group of immigrants now, maybe they for come, as in they project them to come become, maybe they get enemy to the citizens, or some people say we don't support this matter. But now the minister say of the minister that's the prime minister say, me not leave am for my hand. Now me know what to do. We go home meeting so time, so we will know the real matter we want to discuss. So if you want to know the full details, I need to contact a lawyer. I need to call in a lawyer who get lawyer. If you don't get, tell your friend make they contact a lawyer. Me, I still ask lawyer. Lawyer say the matter still dey on board. They never passed any issue for now. They see they deliberate on it. They see they go inside out. They see they talk about it. Either it go help or it no go help. Understand? Maybe they feel past 3 months because of this coronavirus, so that people feel go for checkup, who know where go feed their ass, they feel that they work for this harvest time, they feel that they harvest the crops with they, so that after the crops time, they go know the next things we want follow up. If not to convert them to working documents, or if you understand, but we will pray for better plan for this document issue, but we will pray for better talk where they go talk about for this document issue. Now we need to pray for. Understand? So, but for more details, a good man they call in a lawyer. Understand? Not be say they will call the talk, say they don't share documents and never they share, or they don't start to before one person now go wrong, go carry fake news now, go pass give the rest friend, they go full questura. When they do problem with questura and I know as the matter they be now, before you know Sabina go carry the matter, begin the circulate, say Nasiam. In Asiam, see them now, they don't go full questura, they disturb, say they don't start to share the coup, see now, and they never approve them. So before they go approve them, if they approve them, now your lawyer will still let you know, now your lawyer will still even help you carry appointments. If they approve this documents where they want to share, now your lawyer will help you carry appointments. Now go help you carry appointments to go request for the document issue. You know, go just carry yourself, go by yourself. You know, they happen like that. Now your lawyer will help you carry appointments. Understand? Now your lawyer will help you work for that matter. No be say you just carry, you no get any documents, you just go custodial go to say I want collect documents, e get as the matter be. You see am. So if any sharing of documents, the update say they don start to dey give documents, na your lawyer na you go meet. Na me understand. You no go just carry yourself now go now people go full. I know my people now. If you go full custodial now, you know some matter go they be for their hand. If you go change am against us. So now come gradually. God will send that woman make the fight for the irregular people. She did the person will say go feel resign because of say they no pass the law. What could the reason now? And she don't go talk to the prime minister. So the prime minister now in the reason now with the woman and some some parties will stand against this thing because they say they go make money for the matter. If they regularize, people go pay taxes. If they want to go renew documents, people go still go pay. Market the bolo. Understand? All those money they pay for post and still money now also not tax. So they know say they go make money. So they see the reason now if they go pass the law. So make we just be patient. Make we they carry better info or better information or better updates. The day when you go start, they go talk say they don't start to. First of all, now to call your lawyer. Now lawyer will give you full details what you need to do or what you need to do. Not be say we will just carry ourselves now. Go full questura or carry ourselves the other day where they go carry fake news now. People go carry this kits. They go carry this kits, go full questura. Say they want renew documents, don't they share documents. Before we know, Sabi don't carry and put for a Twitter begin the post say they carry fake news or our people don't start to understand. So we need to use our brain. Moku calm down. Moku you they follow up for this news. This sharing of documents, make they follow up now small. If they pass the law, now your lawyer will still help you go for the request of the docu. You know, just carry yourself like that. Go say you want to go carry documents. Now your lawyer will give you some documents. You go meet them, but they will give you any document they want to share. So we need to they follow. When they give better info and when could they try, when could they follow up? Understand? When I know go carry fake news. We can go put big problem, kasala, for our head. But no kasala. But when they pray, when they pass law, if not 3 months, if not 6 months, on a document. From there, maybe God go down and they will say, we feel convert to working permit. Everything are gradually. Even years back, when they pass the sanatorium, now domestic workers, they fair use to pass them. After domestic, they can't add other sectors. From there, people can't obtain documents. This thing help everything because everything they in my hand for you. See, the 2008 he helped my start for 2006 2002 the sanatorium help almost 650,000 people now give now 650,000 people now obtain documents. 2018 530,000 people now obtain. Understand? And those people now we call the pay tax now they earn money. The government make almost 893 million euro for tax. Understand? So this someone they say if they regularize these people with they now they go make 1 point something. Understand? So everything are gradually. What would they pray hard? Understand? What would they pray hard? We now connect to China. So those China where they talk about documents, China so they talk about where they give you better news, where they give you better info. Understand? Before we go make mistake. I don't want to make mistake at all. I don't want as we just dey now the beer they go, we could hear the beer. Understand? If God say it will happen, it will happen. Everything now it dey God hand. So we need to pray. Understand? No matter if one person feel bless millions of people, God know they like evil things, no they like bad things. God they like way better things they happen. Understand? So if God say it go stand, it go stand. Nobody feel stop him. So make we just try, we will bear. Understand? If any news come out, we go still the hit for you. If they say they don't share the docu. Now your lawyer will help you carry appointments. Now don't want me believe. Now lawyer, we know we figure us carry ourselves good question. I say when I give us documents, they say they don't share documents. If you know happen like that, now lawyer, now go feel help you request for that one. Understand? So make we just debate. When I like this video, when I share it when I share the video, understand? When people for they know what they happen, we no go make mistake, can't go wrong, can't go question that they do war. Say don't they share documents. Who they asylum? If you see they asylum, you seek asylum seekers. Making a full up for an asylum matter, go your commission, go your appeal, prepare your story very well. Prepare your story very well. Be ready. Understand? Be ready. After all this corona time where they don't start to the work, be ready. Make this one at the time when you need to write a better story. This one at the time when you need to follow up for your story. This is at the time you need to put your story for your head. Understand? Put story for your head. Better one. Better story. Because to give the kuna in a state government really now that body get us the matter be. So put better story for table. Now hear me. So when I like this video and share this video, more news go to come in. Understand? So when I just stay safe and stay blessed. Make sure stay making the way in a mask if they go outside. If you come back from anywhere, you go wash your hand, put your sanitized cream. So more updates. Bless you guys, more love to you guys, and one love. When love day, things go fit change for our life. More we like try when we love ourselves. First of all, more we love ourselves as Africans, as blacks. Understand? So the next things go be Jara for us. See you on my next video and stay connected. And bye for now. I love you guys.